PlanetTogether is very customizable to suit specific needs. Gantt view label manipulation is a very effective method of customization. Besides color scheme alteration, displaying desired label information, where you can choose from hundreds of fields to display, can reduce confusion and increase clarity for the scheduler and the schedule viewers. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change Gantt view label information in PlanetTogether. First, select the Gantt view and click on the Labels button. Select the single block label radio button to view only limited order information for only the top segment. Click Apply to preview your changes. Select the individual segment labels radio button to view the label information on each segment. The Apply button will give you a preview of all your changes in all these steps. In the Show column, click the slider next to each segment type to view it on the Gantt. Most of the segment types can be modified by clicking on the segment title box, such as attributes here. Expand the window and click in the text area all the way to the right and press Enter to start a new line. Use the search feature to find desired fields from a list of literally hundreds of fields. Anything that's in this database that applies to this segment attributes will be available to show data here. For example, find a field and drag and drop it into the label text area. To find another field, search for it, and then drag it and drop it into the label area. Click Apply. Additional text can be entered if necessary or desired. Click the Save and Close button to keep your changes or the Cancel button to remove the changes.